Seriously, once you just accept that imagination is the only true reality, and the 3D is just an old reality with your past assumption manifested, everything becomes so much easier. Also remember, you do not do techniques to get what you want. You do them because you are inspired and just want to do it. Not because if I don't affirm I won't get what I want. This is being on the state of lack. Do techniques only when you want to do. Don't make it your 9-to-5 job. Creation is finished. Also, why are you waiting? Let me explain. Imagine I gave you a red candy, and you kept that in your pocket, and ask you, manifest a red candy. Would you desperately do techniques to manifest that red candy? Would you affirm 24/7 for that? Nope, you just know it's yours, and that's enough. Doing techniques is not bad, but don't do it because your desires won't manifest until you do techniques. Do it because you want to, not because you have to. If you judge after appearances, you will continue to be enslaved by the evidence of your senses. What I have been doing lately is, if the 3D triggers me, I adopt this mindset. I'm not a slave to my senses, for I am way too powerful now. Talk highly of yourself. Embody yourself as the person who manifests things with just one thought. And I have it all. Also, be a doer. You already know enough about the law. Stop consuming information. How many success stories do you need to start your journey? Just start already. Claim your desires in your imagination and start living as though it were true. Feel how it would feel if it were true. And that very thing will externalize. Just knowing imagination is the only true reality will help you in the long run. Yes, it takes practice to know that it's the only true reality, as we were programmed that imagination is not real since childhood. But still, you got this. This is coming from a guy who overconsumed information for over a year and started applying what he learned recently and got results. The drama of life is a psychological one, and the whole of it is written and produced by your assumptions. Learn the art of assumption, for only in this way can you create your own happiness. Good luck, enjoy. Subscribe if you liked this video. Happy manifesting.